Let's get cooking. We've got Brooklyn Maple here from Kentucky Legend. She has a pasta recipe with a Hawaiian twist.
And you said you made this last night and you're glad that you made it a second time because it's even better.
Yes,
today.
I think I might have turned my head when I was pouring the chicken broth and poured a little too much.
Tell us about it.
Promise I made it good this time. So we are using our boneless pork chop. But what I did want to kind of do is tell you how many products you could use for this.
Okay.
So we have our wonderful boneless pork chops, and then we also have our cubed ham, which you see, and then we have bone-in pork chops. The boneless are 8 ounces. The bone-in is 16 ounces.
Okay.
Another thing I did last night is I made it with the bone-in, so I had a ton of pork chops. My ratio is a little few.
Can I tell you how much time that saves me when I do an omelet? Because I'll do an omelet and I will throw spinach in there, get the egg white going, this and a little cheese in the morning, done.
When I'm in a hurry, I just throw that on a salad and then I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm
You're
adulting
so
so hard. Look at my
so
nail.
healthy. Look at me. Okay, all right, so you got this cooking.
So what we did when we chopped up 2 of the packages, so we have 4 pork chops in here. We just throw some vegetable oil, heated it up a few minutes.
Okay.
I'm going to say probably 6 to 8.
Oh, okay.
And then we have 1 red pepper diced, and then also a white onion.
Don't be afraid of that onion, girl.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm just going to say yes and yes.
Yes and yes.
So you're going to let that cook. I'm going to turn it up a little bit because I was afraid I was going to burn it while I was
No, it's
standing
fine.
there just mixing it for
Magic
40 minutes.
TV. So you got that going.
Yes. So once that's nice and cooked up, we're actually going to start the big party over here. We have the fish product over here.
The big party.
I'm just going to put a little water on the stove top. So that is our lemonade. I'm just kidding. No, it's chicken broth.
Is it cider?
Cheers.
It's 4 cups of chicken broth.
Okay. So we're going to do this.
Then we also have 1 cup of smooth tomato sauce, which you have right there.
I like they say smooth and not the chunky because there's a
That would make it
difference.
really weird.
Yeah, that would make it real weird, right? Okay.
We're also going to throw in 2 cloves of garlic, actually, yeah. And then I just kind of
Garlic in
hid
there?
other things that I saw that you found really quickly.
Yes.
I'm going to throw in, we're going to leave both of those. We're going to
Okay.
grab the pasta. So that's
Pasta
8
here.
ounces of bow tie pasta. You can use whatever you want. It's super adorable if you use bow tie.
It's real cute.
You can toss it in there.
Farfalle. Okay, we've got it in.
And then we're going to act like this was already cooked. And we're
That's
going to
pretty
pour
close.
that in there.
All right. So I like that you're actually cooking the pasta with this because that means it's going to absorb the flavor of that tomato and the chicken. Okay.
And you could do this all in one pot. It was all kind of created that way, but
Yeah.
I kind of prefer not to. I like to make it really hard on TV, so I'm holding something heavy and kind of putting things into a pot.
It looks real fancy.
I just want, that's what I'm here for. I just want to look like I'm being fancy.
I like you.
So would you have waited till the pasta was
fancy.
cooked to pour that in there?
it all
or no?
starts in here together.
Oh, it does?
Yes. But the tomatoes, or excuse me, the green onions, geez Louise, the onions and the red peppers, those would have been a little bit more done.
All right. How long is that going to cook?
So you're going to put it on high, wait for it to boil. When it starts to boil, you're going to lower it to simmering, and then you're just going to put the lid on it, walk away.
Okay.
It's going to take about 15 minutes.
Okay.
And
And then it
somehow
turns
it
into
gets
this.
creamy like this. Is that?
Yes.
That's that cream cheese
yes.
is happening
I'm so
over
happy
there,
you said
right?
that.
There you go.
Yes, that actually goes in here. I'm so happy
All right,
you saw
so
that.
That would be a really low
One
calorie.
block or two?
It's 1 block, yes.
1 block of
And we
cream
just
cheese.
cubed it. Honestly, you can toss it in there, but I really suggest cubing this.
Yeah,
bad
it's
boy.
going to be a little bit easier.
Delicious.
All right.
And then we have the finished product over here. Now, one thing that you have to do is once we've gotten this to where it's starting to thicken, right? You're going to add in a 1/2 cup of a mild barbecue sauce.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
And then you're also going to add in the pineapples.
The
This is 1 cup
Hawaiian.
of pineapples.
Ooh.
Let's talk about that. You can use fresh, but if the kids just got home
Come
from
on.
school, you hurry.
Come on.
I don't think anyone's really doing
Not
that.
going to happen.
I don't know how you guys rock, but
Who's
I
cutting
can tell
up
you I'm not doing
Big
it.
old pie.
I know.
Now, I
Not
will
me.
say, first of all, I have this special tool that you get so that you can core your pineapple.
What?
I
Do
saw
you use
that.
it?
Yeah,
On
I've got
Amazon.
it. It's a pain.
Do you
Don't
eat
do
that
it.
much pineapple to
No.
justify having that tool?
No, is the answer. The second answer is it doesn't fit in the drawer. So I'm constantly trying to close the drawer and it's hitting that thing. So it's not worth it. Just buy the
Ladies,
can.
try
I
this
can't wait
bad
to try
boy.
this.
Now,
Here
what
you
you
go.
can do is throw a little green onion.
Okay.
Oh,
Just-
a little garnish.
And then if you
that.
want to, depending on what kind of day you're having, throw a little mozzarella cheese on there.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
I need
that's
some
what
of
I'm
that.
here
Here, oh, yeah,
Have you
fork.
met
Okay.
me? I
gonna
love
swap you.
cheese. All right, I'm going to eat this. This recipe is going to be on our website. Check it out today.
Good
Nashville.com.
stuff,
Isn't it?
Interesting.
Oh,
It is so
the barbecue
different.
with the pineapple, it's really good.
I
You can
kind of
taste
said it was like a Hawaiian pizza, but in a pasta form.
Yeah, it's good.
I
You
know.
know it's my favorite. Hawaiian is my favorite. I love all of this, and you can find all of your products all around any grocery store.
Kentucky
Yes.
Legend, any grocery store.
Walmart's going to be your best bet
Okay.
on something if you're looking for it quick. We're also Kroger, Meijer, we're kind of all over the place, IGA.
Love
Pick
it.
up our products, and then if you can't figure out what to do for dinner tonight, please check us out on Pinterest, Kentucky Legend. Of course, you can always check us out at www.kentuckylegend.com/recipes. And we're here for you every night.
Brooklyn, you said all.
I
Thank
love it
you.
all.
Thanks for being here.